Ever pondered the craft of creating a bamboo gun? Well, today you're in for an adventure. So buckle up as we delve into the intriguing world of DIY bamboo guns. First off, the materials. You'll need a fresh bamboo stick about 2 feet long and 1 inch in diameter. Also, gather some bamboo skewers, a rubber band, and a small saw. Next, let's go into the process. Step 1, cut the bamboo stick. Saw off the ends of the bamboo stick, ensuring each end is open and hollow. Then, cut a smaller section about 5 inches long from the remaining bamboo. This smaller piece will serve as your gun's handle. Step 2, carve a notch. On the longer piece of bamboo, carve a small notch about 1 inch from the end. This notch will hold the rubber band in place. Step 3, prepare the handle. Take the smaller bamboo piece and carve a small hole on one end. This hole should be big enough to comfortably fit the bamboo skewer. Step 4, attach the handle. Now, insert the skewer through the hole in the handle and into the notch on the longer bamboo piece. Make sure the handle is perpendicular to the longer piece. Step 5, secure the rubber band. Loop the rubber band around the end of the longer bamboo piece opposite the handle. Stretch it over the handle and hook it onto the bamboo skewer. Step 6, load and fire. Insert a bamboo skewer into the open end of the longer bamboo piece. Pull back on the skewer, stretching the rubber band, and then release to fire. And there you have it, a fully functional bamboo gun. To summarize, you'll start by cutting your bamboo stick into 2 pieces. A notch is then carved into the longer piece. The handle is prepared by carving a hole into the smaller piece. This handle is then attached to the longer piece using a bamboo skewer. The rubber band is secured over the handle and hooked onto the skewer. Finally, load your bamboo gun with a skewer and fire away. Remember, this bamboo gun is more than just a DIY project. It's a testament to your creativity, resourcefulness, and craftsmanship. So the next time you find yourself with a bamboo stick, why not try your hand at making a bamboo gun? It's a fun, easy, and engaging way to spend some time. Enjoy the process and happy crafting.